Hey there, Star Wars fans. Welcome back to Jaymoo's Playground. It's Jaymoo, and I'm going to start a series on how to use our reconfiguration kit to reconfigure your custom blade and how to set it up with your computer. So you should have your blade and your computer already, and you have purchased our reconfiguration kit, which comes with both the cable that connects to the blade through the bottom of the blade, and also a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And that will allow you to connect it to your Windows 10 or 11 computer or a Mac, which I will be using today. Now, the first thing is to make sure that you have your Jaymoo's Playground Communicator app running. Your kit should have instructions on how to download that app and how to put it on your computer. And the first thing you should do is to make sure that it is running, and then what you want to do is connect the blade to the computer. Let's make sure that it is going in the correct way. And the app will automatically detect the blade and the port that it's connected to. So we can see here that we are in blade configuration mode, and we click into the input line here, and we can do the first command, which is help, which shows all of the available kind of high-level commands that you can do. Ignite, clash, retract, the status, set your profile that you'll be working on, set the default color, set color, all of the color commands, and also restart the blade, save the configuration, and restore the configuration. So we'll go through the first couple of ones today. We have a Jaymoo's Playground blade right now. It has a standard configuration that is set, and so we're gonna change the profile that we're working on to Profile 1. And we can see that we're going to be working on Profile 1, which right now is set to the color white. The ignition color is white, and the default mode matching color is white. Also, you can see here that the flicker effect is set on this profile. And we can choose to ignite the blade. And you can see that the flicker mode is on. And we can also retract. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually work on the next profile, Profile 2, which is red. And you can also see that it is set to flicker, but instead of flicker, we can actually see that right now. We are going to set the flicker off, and we're going to set it to breathing. Okay, and now we're going to ignite blade. And now you can see that the breathe effect is on. All right, now let us say that we forget to save the configuration to the blade, and we disconnect it from the computer, and then we plug it back in. If we go back to the profile, we see that the old configuration is back. It's set to flicker. Now, if we want to make sure that the configuration that we've set is saved, we must save the configuration. So let's change it again. Set flicker off. Set breathe on. Make sure that it is what we want. Ignite, and is indeed breathing. Retract. And we are going to do a save config. Now, once we save the configuration, if we disconnect it from the computer and we plug it back in, we will see that if we go to Profile 2, it is in fact breathing. So we will go ahead and end this first tutorial here. It serves as a way to get everyone started. There is also the clash command here besides ignite and retract. So let's go ahead and just try that. I'll ignite the blade. We'll do a clash. Clash again. Maybe even set the clash to dispersal clash. We'll do clash again, and then retract. As you can see, and we'll get into many of the other features here in the future in this series, but you will be able to configure your blade in much the same way that we configure your blade when we first send it out and work with you for your configuration. So we're going to end this tutorial here, and hope that you subscribe and continue watching our tutorials on how to use the Reconfiguration kit. Bye for now.